We were looking for some other investments and ways to bring family back to our home here, and we discovered Florida-made tiny homes as an option and decided to move forward.
I think our biggest concerns were just disruptions to the neighbors as well as family, and how hands-on we had to be in finding contractor and things like that. But it proved to be a great process. We were completely hands-off. Very little disruption to neighbors.
So we were pretty comfortable choosing Florida-made tiny homes over other builders, really due to the fact that it was a local company that we could work with. We could meet face-to-face, and we could design and plan together as a team with Florida-made. Compared to others, there were other options that were not local to the area. There was also kind of larger companies that had more modular options, and again, being stick-built, being built from the ground up, and working with Florida-made locally was our biggest driver for choosing Florida-made.
For me, going through the process from design to construction was very cool to watch. I don't have any experience watching something being built, so it was really interesting to see the contractors come out and start with the framing and slowly build up into what we're sitting in now.
Now that the ADU is complete, the family is excited. All of our extended family, being here in Orlando, of course, we get family come through quite often to go to the theme parks. And now we have a very nice one-bedroom apartment, essentially, that they can come and stay in. So they're very excited about that. We have somebody coming in a few weeks to take a look at the home. Financially, when it's not being available to our family, we will be doing short-term rentals, which we've had some experience with before. If you want to do this, if you want to have an ADU in your back home, if you want that white glove experience where you don't have to worry about the details, this is the way to go.